Hey folks, here at OS Reviews. You're watching our video review of the Smartoools MC5 card. This is a mobile power bank with a 5,000 milliamp hour capacity that retails for under 40 bucks, so it's relatively inexpensive for something with a really unique and striking design. In fact, you can pick through 11 other striking designs on a company's website, and you can also find it directly on Amazon.com. This is the larger brother of the stick power bank, and it has a bit more charge and capacity in it. It also has a 5-volt 2.1 amp output, so it can charge any tablet, such as the Apple iPad, relatively quickly. And in terms of size, it has a 93mm height and a 12mm thickness, and it comes 50% pre-charged out of the box, and also has a micro USB cable included for charging the power bank. We have the car power bank. We'll take a look at that in a moment. And in the inner compartment, there is the micro USB charging cable, which is a flat ribbon wire which prevents any tangling, and also has a magnetic clamp. It's kind of an interesting design we haven't seen before. There's also a quick start guide, which is well documented in color, tells you how to set everything up, and to access the warranty for the unit. Taking a look at the power bank itself, it's crafted out of a soft touch material, which makes it easy to grip and hold in the hands. In terms of dimensions, I would say it's very similar to a playing deck of cards. It's relatively small and easy to carry around when you're traveling, and on the bottom you have access to 4 LED indicators that tells you how much power and juice is remaining. There's a little animation, and out of 4 LEDs, each time that you lose one, you lose about 25% of the charge. There's also the USB output and the micro USB input for charging the power bank itself. Fully charging the power bank takes about 3 hours to complete, so it's relatively quick, and charging up a smartphone, an Android smartphone, takes roughly 2 hours, which is pretty good. And fully charging a tablet, you won't get a complete charge in there, but it took us about 3.5 hours to 4 hours depending on the manufacturer and the operating system that you use. Overall, the construction quality is top-notch. It feels rugged, there aren't any moving parts, and it feels like it will last and survive the test of time. The pattern on the front has also been coated in a layer of soft touch material, so if you set it on a desk, it won't slide around very easily. So taking a look at how the unit functions, I am going to try charging an LG G Flex and give you a quick demonstration. Again, you don't have to press any keys or buttons in order to initiate the charging process. Here you have the phone. I'm just going to plug in the other side onto the power bank. It's kind of a tight connection, but you'll see it's very fast to react, and the charging process has automatically been started. It's also a smart power bank in the sense it's not going to overcharge your smartphone. It's going to automatically stop once the charge has been completed. And during operation, the temperature of the power bank also remains fairly cool, so it's comfortable and easy to use. Now, at 5,000 milliamp hours, we would have expected maybe a second USB output, so you can simultaneously charge 2 products at the same time, because this is a mid-sized power bank in terms of capacity. This is perhaps something that the manufacturer can consider for a second generation model. At the end of the day, the Smartoools card power bank is a very compelling device because it's relatively inexpensive and combines a customizable design that's really going to distinguish you from the crowd. It's easy to use, it contains a pretty good amount of power, although it's not the largest capacity we've seen, and in operation we were satisfied with the performance and the charging rate. To learn more information about this unit, be sure to read our full written review. This has been our video. Thanks for watching here at OS Reviews.